About the same thing. Nice, okay. And one more time, just so we got a good sense of what it does. You guys, it did pretty much the same thing, right? Now we're gonna cool that hot dog down to 200 below zero and do the exact same thing again. So, I'm gonna put in the tongs here, and I'm gonna close it up. And I'll move just like this, so I'm not in anybody's way, sorry. So, and it goes into the liquid nitrogen.
Sounds like it's cooking. What do you think it sounds like? Is it cooking?
It's making more air.
It's good. We're turning that liquid nitrogen back to air because that hot dog was actually really hot compared to the liquid nitrogen. And it does, like Miss Hill said, it sounds like it's cooking because we hear that boiling sound, right? But is it cooking? What's it doing?
Making more air. Making more air.
And the hot dog is getting really what?
Cold.
Cold. So it's doing the opposite of cooking. It's freezing. Now, in a moment here, we're gonna give it back to Piper and she's gonna drop it. And I'd like to know from you guys what you think it's gonna do when she drops it this time. So we're gonna make a hypothesis.
Okay, because it's cold.
Because it's gonna be a cold dog. It's not gonna be a hot dog anymore, or even a lukewarm dog. It's gonna be a freezing cold dog.
It's gonna be a cold dog.
And so what do you guys think is gonna happen here? I need some hands up in the air to make a hypothesis. What do you think is going to happen when she drops it this time? Will, what do you think?
It's not going to bounce.
No more bouncing. So it's just going to kind of go down. Okay, that's a great idea. Shelby, what do you think it's going to do?
I think it's just going to make a loud noise.
A louder noise. Louder noise, not as much bounce. Roman?
I think it's going to bounce higher.
Okay, so a different idea. It's going to maybe come up a little higher. Like a Super Bowl or something like that. A super dog. Okay? Any other hypotheses? Zoe?
Sounding different.
Sound different. How different? What do you think it's going to do in terms of different? Is it going to sound like metal? Is it going to sound like glass hitting the table?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. Any other hypotheses? Sounds like our hot dog has gotten so cold that it's not making the liquid nitrogen boil. So I'm going to bring it back to Piper. Now, don't worry, Piper, I'm not going to hurt you. And I'm going to take this hot dog out of here. And I am going to unhook it from here. And I'm going to give it to you, and you're going to hold it just like you did before. And we're going to drop it on the table, okay?
And remember, everyone stays on the stool.
Okay?
Okay? Nobody gets down.
Go ahead. Okay, now, let me ask you. First of all, Piper, I'm going to get you off the table. Come over here.
The hot dog in teeny
Here you go.
pieces. It did sound like glass.
It did sound like glass.